Hello everybody, my name is Eric Walker. I'm the International Marketing, Recruitment and Admissions Advisor here at Lambton College. Here with you today, coming from our main Sarnia campus on a beautiful June day. Weather is perfect outside today. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about the Canam fair that will be taking place this September. Lambton College has a great relationship with Canam. They're one of our biggest agents. They have very well professionally trained counselors, and we're very happy to be working with them again at this fair coming up in September. We would love to connect with you in person at the fair. However, if you're unable to make it, from September 7th to September 17th, we will be able to take online meetings. So we will have time slots available for you to book, and we would love to meet with as many students as possible. And again, we're very excited to be working with Canam at another one of these amazing fairs. Thank you.